In this video, we're going to use the PolyField Server and the PolyField App in demo mode, linked to a demo competition with Athletics app. First, open the PolyField Control Server. Check the IP address at the top left in green, API server, and ensure that this matches what you have set up in the app in settings. In here, I've got 192.168.0.232. 192.168.0.232, and the server port is 8080. Click apply and click back. That's now the app and the server linked together on your local network. We now need to link PolyField Server to Athletics app. To do this, go to Settings. Ensure that you have your file directory set for the event file and result file. Simply click Select Folder and select whichever folder on your PC that you want to run that from. Then click Competition Link. Click Athletics app, and you will need to enter a link code for the competition. If you're running multiple competitions, you can add multiple link codes. Up to 5 competitions can be run at once through the PolyField server. So enter the link code. Once you've entered the link code, press sync. You'll see a status of last sync, and you can also scroll down and see sync success, sync complete. If we now return to the dashboard, you can see that we have pulled through all of the event files for the Athletics app test. This will only pull through the field files. As you can see here, we've got group 1 discus throw, pull 0 at 1700 hours. We have different color bands under each one of the events, and this will show whether the event has started or not, and if it's in progress or if it's complete. We can view live, which will show us a list of all of the competitors, best mark, and each of the rounds that they're competing in, along with our heat map view on per competitor or whole competition, which we can also click on Save Image to export. We're going to explore this Group 1 discus throw within the app. To show the speed of upload, the second screen that we have here, I'll also set to show that Group 1 discus competition. Selecting that Group 1 discus competition, we can view the same start list, and then we can see the results as they come through. So in the app, we now go to throws, continue in demo mode. We can see the Group 1 discus competition with 5 athletes. Select that. We're simulating our EDM device, otherwise you would link your EDM device here, doing this for real with live throws. Click Next, set the center of the circle. Next, verify the edge of the circle. Next, and set the right hand sector line as the check mark. Next. Now we can check in the athletes. We're only going to check in 3 out of the 5 athletes for this test. And we're going to start the competition. So first round throw, measure 1767. We can see 1767 has been pulled through to our server, and 1767 has also been uploaded to the web and is distributable around everyone worldwide. Next athlete, measure 1647. 1647 is on the web and on the local server. It's instant from the moment that the EDM reads. 1478 is on the server and on the web. Once we get to the end of the first round, the PolyField app will ask us if we want to progress to round 2. We can continue to round 2, and we'll take another few measurements for each athlete. And continuing to round 3. Where we have a foul, we're now showing a foul against the athlete. We can now perform a cut if we want to, or select all of the athletes. None of the athletes will be eliminated in this. We can have a pass, a foul, and a measure. And if we keep measuring to the end of the competition is then complete. We can view results on the local tablet, and we can also see the results match what we have on the server and what we have on the web, with each attempt that's been uploaded. We can view our local heat map within the app, and we can also view the heat map within the PolyField server, seeing exactly where every throw landed, some statistics around the throws. We can export this as an image for social media upload or distribution, and we can also view a per athlete heat map as well, again exporting that on a per athlete basis. If we go back to the dashboard, we can now see that that competition is marked in progress. As we don't update any more throws with that, it will automatically time itself out and move to complete. To view the statistics, we go to the statistics page, and here we can see how many events have not been started, how many are in progress, the type of events that we have loaded, how long we've taken overall, how many fouls there's been, and also a distribution of all of those throws in another heat map view. This statistics page is quite useful for competition organisers, as you can break down on a per competition basis, and in the dashboard you can export the statistics as a PDF to show you on a per pool basis, based on the number of athletes, how long you should schedule to help with timetabling for future years. The final piece that we'll go through in this is the merge events. If we click on merge events, we can select multiple competitions. This may be useful where in championships we want to maintain separation of each age group, but we want to let them compete all as one. So we can merge them into a single pool. Clicking merge, we can then name the new merged event and confirm merge. This will then create the new event, which is merged. We have the option to be able to unmerge them later should we wish to. And then within the app, continuing in demo mode, we can select that merged event with the 24 athletes to be able to measure against. Again, this will generate statistics and upload automatically through to Athletics app while we're linked to the competition.